What's the most bizarre ultimatum someone gave you? My ex, Brenda, was obsessed with her pet parrot, Captain Squawk. One day, Captain Squawk started mimicking my snoring, which apparently Brenda found disruptive to his artistic temperament. I thought it was hilarious. She didn't. Brenda then informed me that it was either me or the squawk. She meant he's squawking the parrots. My snores were just too much for the bird. I tried to explain that I couldn't control my snoring, but she was adamant. He's a sensitive soul, she'd shriek. I thought she was joking, but then she started packing my bags. Turns out Captain Squawk was her late grandfather's bird, and she'd promised to give him the best life possible. So I packed my bags and moved out. Honestly, it was a relief. Now I can snore in peace.